Batch 88, organizing the operation unit for 2012. Very professionally run and very efficient operations only now for this year. In fact, kita nyo ito pa yung mga pasyente, mga bata from the community. This is one way of serving the community operation unit. Kasi if you go to a private doctor, they might charge you 1,000 to 2,000 per patient. Pero itong operation unit ng St. Anthony's School Alumni Association, with the help of Batch 88, they're able to service around 100 patients. So it's a big help to the community. And again, I'd like to thank Batch 88 on behalf of the St. Anthony's School Alumni Association for organizing this well-run operation unit.
Thank you.
Ako din, saka din. Opo.
Yung mga ta-artist ah.
Hindi na ako
Tatlo na kayo. Sweet, tatlo na kayo.
Pwede kita.